is a transformation age in education. Lot of artificial intelligence, lot of technology is playing a very vital role in the education sector, and we have to adapt them, and we have to transform our schools into
disorders are there. So sir will be addressing those things, why they make the spelling mistakes and disturbance by the students in the class. Some people will be very hyperactive and some will be very distracting, and some people
you will put school ready on the next award goes to round of applause.
Sir, basically in this there is 3 sessions, pre-session, in-session and after the classroom is over. Sir, in the pre-classroom session, okay, basically we are providing laptop website. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको हर एक individual, whether it is teachers, admin, you will get a login information. Okay, so students will have their own account, you will have your own account and the admin will have their own. As well as there is mobile application. And this is not subscription based, it is free of cost or lifetime. So when you come into the classroom, you can prepare all the lectures from your laptop or mobile. So if you want to get attendance, notifications, everything can be done from home as well. Okay, and when you come into the classroom, whatever you have prepared while traveling, while at home, all those data will also be available on the platform. So here you can see, sir, I have got my own account. Yeah, okay, logged in. When I click on my account, I have got number of classrooms available. So in that number of classrooms, as a teacher, if I am teaching in 10th standard, 9th standard, for every classroom I will have a different class with different students associated in it. Okay, so database of the students and all you can capture it from here. So student database, attendance, what are the preparation that I have done before coming into the classroom. So all these lectures, the lectures that I have created using this, everything is bifurcated as well. So this is the lecture that I have prepared from the laptop. I prepared it with the help of AI. So that AI is a Google Gemini Advanced AI, which is linked to India Education. So whether it is CBSE board, ICSE board, you just have to mention the name of the topic and automatically the lecture will be prepared. Okay. And while the lecture is prepared, sir, if you want any particular notes, for example, I am not writing a topic register, or इसके ऊपर सर मैंने notes नहीं बना, I can just simply select it and click on the search option. Now based on electricity, 10th standard science will automatically give me the complete data for resistance. Okay, and I can convert this into Telugu as well. So I can use this and I can convert in Telugu. And sir, this can be converted into the audio as well. You can use the audio, you can use the keyboard and convert everything into Telugu or any regional language. If you want to dictate all these things, just click here and this will start dictating in Telugu. Okay. Once you are done, sir, if you want this on the board, you can add this on the board or you can add this on the board. So here you have the complete data available. This data is here, sir, if you want any images related to it. So the images are also available. Any particular image you want on the board, you can paste it on the board. If you want the videos, sir, videos are also available. These videos will play without any ads. No ads will be there on it. Images can also be added, videos can also be added, and it will be there without any ads. So once you are done with all this, you will go to the home page and there is a summary option. Now basically this method, it will scan the complete pages and give me the summary of the overall lecture. So very easy for the teacher to summarize, not waste time on that. Okay. After summary, if you want quiz will be generated. If you want test questions, homework, everything will be auto-generated with AI. If you speak something in Telugu, it will be converted to Telugu. Everything we have given. Other than this, there is graph. So all-in-one graph. Whether you want a first standard, second standard basic graph or engineering level graph, you just have to write the equation and automatic graph will be okay. Other than graph, you also have simulation and periodic table. The simulation can be building an atom molecule. How does the mass react? In periodic table, if you want to complete periodic table with the elements, each and every detail. So I think there is some network issue, so that's why it is like. But if you select on Lantern will be activated, and then if you click here, complete details about each and everything is available. about the elements. So we also have a repository for NCERT as well as other books. The NCERT repository is completely there, and if you want other books like this, you can also upload. Sir, we are giving unlimited clouds free of cost. So the data will be stored directly in cloud. आप कहीं से भी उसको access कर सकते. You don't need to carry any pen drive or something. And secondly, sir, if the data is after system, yes, everything is integrated, sir. And since it is stored in cloud, the panel will not lag. So it will work smoothly for 10 years, 12 years, because the data is stored in cloud. So this is very light. It has got nothing in it. So it will work very smoothly. And sir, even if you want to solve difficult maths equation, so I am writing just a simple one, but even there is a difficult maths equation, you can just select this, click on the maths button. Automatically, whether it is word problem, physics problem, aptitude, it will analyze it, give you the solution and step-by-step explanation. So everything is automatic. Even the lectures, sir, once you have entered the classroom, whatever lecture you are teaching, based on that, all the answers will be given. So here you can see, sir, within seconds it will solve the proper answer with explanation. And sir, because all these things are in digital format, so if you want a video recording of this, you can switch on the camera from here. There is an auto AI focus camera. So if I move back and talk, automatically it will zoom on. Okay, with the help of sound, it will zoom whenever there is a motion or sound. Okay, so auto AI focus camera is also enabled. You can also start the recording from your direction. So it will be recorded as it is, the way you are seeing on the screen. So this will be the samne wala caption, whatever you are writing, whatever you are speaking. All these things can be recorded very easily, and for daily purpose, you can share all these recordings as well as the complete data in the classroom. So the parents as well as the students both will get the notification that sir has given this test, this automated homework, and this quiz. You need to submit it by tomorrow along with the recording. So sir, just imagine you are giving an exam, okay, test questions. Along with that, there is a recording of the complete lecture. So even if they are not able to answer it, they can see the recordings, see the view. Their parents will also know my son has already given everything, and then they will solve the answer and submit it. So that can be done offline as well as online. So we have an integrated application, website, as well as this panel, working together with each other without any issues and without any subscriptions. So overall, this is the gist of the panel. And there is a complete, this is the complete AI service. Yeah, this is the complete AI service. You can bring whatever questions you have in mind in any language. Here there is a summary, lecture, homework, quiz of it. And once you are done with this, if you go to the application section, whatever data you have rolled out, all those data is stored here. So all the homework that you have given will be stored here. This is 75. Yeah, this is 75. How much cost? Sir, it will be tentative around 130 plus GST. Tentative.